There are three options required to get SignalVu PC, the RF spectrum and signal analysis package, running on your 5 and 6 series oscilloscope. First, the optional Windows 10 drive needs to be installed. Second, the SpectrumVu RF versus time traces option needs to be added to the scope. And third, the CON option needs to be added to SignalVu PC. With these options installed, here's how we connect SignalVu PC. First, minimize TechScope and bring up TechVisa's Instrument Manager, refresh the list if necessary, and double-click on the GPIB8 instrument to ensure that TechScope identifies. This will allow SignalVu PC to be able to see TechScope. Now to start SignalVu, we can restore down the TechScope application and double-click on the SignalVu PC icon on the screen. Once SignalVu PC finishes launching, click on the Connect menu and scroll down to Connect to Instrument. You should see the oscilloscope on the list. Once you click on it, it will establish the connection to the oscilloscope. And then you should see a live spectrum running on the display. You can choose to maximize SignalVu PC and TechScope and simply Alt-Tab back and forth between them. SignalVu PC will control several aspects of the scope operation, including turning on SpectrumVu and the RF magnitude versus time trace. SignalVu PC will control the things that make sense on the oscilloscope. For example, if you set the reference level in SignalVu PC, this will control the vertical scaling on the scope, just like the reference level controls the sensitivity and attenuator settings on a spectrum analyzer. Changing the center frequency and span in SignalVu PC will adjust the center frequency and acquisition bandwidth in SpectrumVu on the scope. Triggering, however, is completely controlled by the scope. You can set the source and type of trigger right in the scope to ensure you capture the particular event of interest into memory for analysis in SignalVu PC. You can tell SignalVu PC which channel in the scope to use to acquire the RF data and what the trigger position should be within the acquisition. SignalVu leverages the hardware digital down converter to bring you a full suite of spectrum and signal analysis tools on your 5 and 6 series oscilloscope.